So, you're planning a trip abroad. Awesome. But before you start packing your bags, there are a few things you should know. Here's a quick guide on how to pack like a pro for your upcoming adventure. Trust us, it'll make your trip that much better. Happy packing! Start with a clean slate, pack only what you need, and get rid of anything you won't use on the trip. If you're looking to learn how to master the art of packing for your next trip, the #1 rule of thumb is to start with a clean slate. Leave home only armed with what you need, and don't let yourself be bogged down by unnecessary items. Try to outwit yourself, take a step back and assess whether or not certain items really matter in the grand scheme of things. In essence, get rid of anything that won't come in handy during your travels. Keep it light and fun, pack only those special pieces that will come in use, give you fond memories along the way, and make any adventure more enjoyable. Make a packing list of all the essentials, including clothes, toiletries, and electronics. Packing can be overwhelming, but luckily your destination offers a wealth of attractions and experiences to make the trip worth it. Before you jump onto the plane, though, it's important that you purchase all the right items to bring with you. That's why you should pack like a pro by making sure your list includes all the essentials. Think about what articles of clothing will best suit your trip, remembering to account for any cultural factors you may encounter. Don't forget toiletries and hygiene products, as well as any electronics or gadgets that may be useful, such as charging banks and portable Wi-Fi devices. With some careful consideration, getting ready for your trip abroad doesn't have to be stressful. Just pack like a pro, and your journey awaits. Choose versatile clothing that can be mixed and matched to create different outfits. Packing for your trip doesn't have to be overwhelming. With a little bit of planning and the right items, you can pack like a pro. When shopping for your look, it's best to choose versatile clothing that can easily be mixed and matched. Bring along a few of your favorite basics, like a pair of jeans or chinos, which will look great with any shirt, dress, or sweater. Add a statement jacket and some accessories to tie it all together, and you'll have all the style you need, no matter what's on the itinerary. Roll your clothes instead of folding them to save space in your suitcase. Packing for a trip doesn't have to be a headache. Instead of folding your clothes like you normally do, why not make life easier on yourself and give rolling a try? Not only will it make the process smoother, but it'll also save you precious space in that suitcase of yours. Plus, rolling your clothes will give you the chance to show off your skills like a pro. No more troublesome fold lines ruining all that style. So grab those favorite outfits and let's get rolling. Use Ziploc bags to organize small items like socks and underwear. When it comes to packing for your trip abroad, you'll be able to do it like a pro if you use Ziploc bags. Not only are Ziploc bags helpful when storing liquids in your suitcase, but they can also save the day by organizing your small items like socks and underwear. Staying organized and saving valuable suitcase space is so much simpler when you bring along some Ziploc bags. After all, packing like a pro just got easier. Pack an extra set of clothes in your carry-on bag in case your luggage gets lost if you're planning a trip abroad. Then packing like a pro is essential to making sure your holiday goes off without a hitch. Don't let a lost or delayed bag ruin your travels. Be sure to pack an extra set of clothes and other must-have items like your passport in your carry-on bag, just in case anything unexpected happens with your luggage. A few handy items can go a long way in helping you stay comfortable until your bag makes it to its destination. Bon voyage and happy packing! Now that you know how to pack like a pro, you're ready for your trip. By following these tips, you'll be able to pack everything you need without having to worry about overweight baggage fees or running out of space in your suitcase. So what are you waiting for? Start packing.